Morning team, it's Thursday, October 2nd. Yesterday price action was spectacularly clean in New York. Let's say New York close, because during London there was too many bank holidays. And today we got, unemployment. I think there are also news in London. Yeah. Actually, they are good ones, huh? We should see some nice price action, both London and New York. Anyway, let's start with monthly, because usually I always say that I like when they print this extremely balanced doji, because after that there are reversals. I can see monthly doing something like that. Well, we don't trade monthly, but this would be lovely. Monthly fair value gap formed, doji, pushed, and then dump it. This would be amazing on a monthly level. Totally doable play. Anyway, a weekly is back green. We got just 2 days left. As I said yesterday, I say like the raid without BMS, it's meaningless. And yesterday we also marked out this liquidity. Point is, I want them to going up before going down and take liquidity. Instead, for FOMC, they take liquidity and pushed. So that give me bullish bias again on daily, at least. I think this bearish rejection is being mitigated, not fully. And I think we can easily go back up here. 70 is doable, in my opinion. I mean, I want them to go back up here, as I said a few times already. This big week, not mitigated, the weekly breaker. I think we should go back in 84, 82 area, which is, which fully, well, it's kind of way higher. Yeah, will fully mitigate the fair value gap. Anyway, let's see. Hourly, right now, H12 looks quite bullish to me. This double raid is nice. And H4 BMS2, despite this one not be a bearish to the block, it's a BMS, so kind of nice. So we got H12 raid, H4 BMS, H1 also broke several structures. I think we should go higher, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are into this breaker that I called yesterday, this bearish to the block breaker. So I expect some sort of rejection lower, and then it's up to us to look for longs. I also expect a bearish rejection once we get here. This is a bearish of the block, no doubt. Okay, look, send price up and then bam, big move down. So if I'm ever in a long, I want to be out by this level, this area. Okay, myself. You do whatever you want. Let's go to low time frame. Yeah, this is the bearish of the block. I want to be out if I'm ever getting longs, and we're gonna go here. Yeah, it's a bit tricky to look for areas of interests. This is creepy. I don't like this one. Also was daily close, but it's also kind of legit. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna mark this out, but not that I want to play on longs here blindly. But yeah, cool work. Also, this is a breaker. Can you see it? Beautiful breaker, because it was a raid, the BMS down, they took liquidity and then send it up. So yeah, these two areas, they can work for possible longs. Let me see. Yeah, okay, we're gonna reevaluate later. It's also an H1 on the block, this one. Yeah, okay. These two areas are possible. As I said, I want to pull back and the possible longs into this area. Where are we gonna be wrong? Well, obviously, if this level give up, sorry, let's go to a clean one. If this level gives up, we are completely wrong on the long idea. But I really believe we can go higher. I think we should go here at least. This is a low resistance liquidity run, so I think we can easily go to 68, 69. Maybe not today, maybe not just in one move. Tomorrow is NFP, no? So yeah, if this one gives up, we are going down again. But I think this one should hold, and we're gonna go higher. Yeah, wouldn't be a bad idea to just set another block trade like this and let it go. Anyway, that's enough for me for today, guys. I want to say something. I'm thinking that I'm gonna stop doing these morning videos by the end of the year. I've been doing the whole year. There are more than 300 videos. I don't think that if you have been long enough in my channel, you should know by now how I did price action, because I didn't change much in my last year, and now it's the things I'm doing are working pretty well for me. So you know, when I start to do the videos, I wanted to help the community, but also be accountable myself. And when you try to explain something, it's when you really when you really get with yourself. So for me, explaining all my systems to you all this year helped me to consolidate my process, my trading plan, making sure that I was accountable with you. But I think everything comes to an end, and I don't want to keep doing these videos forever. And I don't know. Also, I'm not generating any returning from this. I don't want to sell shit, because I don't like to sell anything to groups. I've never been approached by any serious sponsor or somebody that wanted to do something meaningful, because people ask me to use their ref links. I don't do that. So I think I'm gonna do another month, and then at the end of the year I'm gonna call it. I will not close the Telegram group or the Telegram channel, and maybe from time to time I will still do some videos about concept that I use, something like this. But the daily morning reviews, maybe another month, and then that's it. Just a consideration. I wish you all a good trading day, and I speak to you tomorrow. Bye.